Yeah. I was raised to stand for freedom, taught to wave that flag up high. Thought the land and the law were the same damn thing. Never stopped to wonder why. They told me war was noble. Told me duty made a man. But the hands that gave the order never had no blood to wash our sand. I was fighting for the wrong side, though my heart meant what it did. I was guarding thieves and liars while believing like a kid. It wasn't love for my people, it was fear and false pride. Now I see through all the stories, I was fighting for the wrong side. I knew then and know now most men were decent, no matter where they're born, working hard to feed their children, hey, trying to shelter from the storm, hey. But I was told they were the others, taught to see them all as threats, while the suits that stirred the hatred never cashed the pain they bet. I was fighting for the wrong side, though my heart meant what it did. I was guarding thieves and liars while believing like a kid. It wasn't love for my people, it was fear and false pride. Now I see through all the stories, I was fighting for the wrong side. Hey! Country ain't the capital and ain't the law. The earth don't owe a master and truth don't serve a jar. I love folks from every corner if they live with peace in hand. It ain't borders that define us, it's the heart that makes the man. I ain't bitter, just awake now, and I'll walk a different line. Won't be used to guard the empire, won't mistake their chains for mine. I still love my neighbor dearly, but not just on this side. I was fooled by flags and slogans, I was fighting for the wrong